Are you struggling for ways to increase fee income that's been negatively impacted in your organization with the new regulations on NSFs and OD? Many of our clients are. I'm Kevin with QDS. I'm here to talk a little bit about Flourish Checking today and how it can help drive fee income in your organization. In a world where checking accounts are vastly produced at free and no monthly charges, it becomes difficult to drive fee income. But what if you had a program that was totally differentiated in the marketplace? What if you had a program that took everyday expenses that your clients are already paying for and provided real value to your clients? What would a client pay you if you were providing $20, $50, or even $100 or more of real value on a monthly basis, making their monthly budget so much easier every single month? What if that was reality in your organization? That is where Flourish Checking can come in. Flourish Checking focuses on real value to your clients. To be able to provide real value, we need to be able to provide services that your clients use today and allow you to be able to offer that to your clients at a fraction of the cost that they're having to spend on the open market. One really good example and one tenet of Flourish Checking is identity theft protection. We have the most robust identity theft protection in the industry. Your clients that have LifeLock or other identity theft protections are likely paying $40, $50, $60 a month per person in their household that's covered. Many of our clients, husband and wife, would be spending $80 to $100, $120 a month. What if you were able to offer that to your clients at $8 to $10 a month and have a healthy margin on that price point? Would your clients find value in eliminating an $80 monthly expense to pay you $10 a month? And that's just one piece of Flourish Checking. We can eliminate their need for having cell phone protection. That's about $120 per phone per year that they're spending. We can offer money back on all travel and lowest price guaranteed. What if we were able to provide a digital experience that through using digital coupons, they were able to save $20 to $50 a month? What would your clients pay for that opportunity? This is a real game changer. We're able to replace the cost that your clients are currently spending in the open market, and you're able to give it to them at a really healthy margin and at a fraction of the cost that they're spending today. Flourish Checking absolutely can drive non-interest income for your organization. We're here to help. We're here to tell you more about it. Reach out. We'd love to have a conversation, and let's replace that fee income together.